Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to combine two listings on Airbnb offline. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Airbnb doesn't allow you to merge two listings directly, but you can create a new listing that includes both space and link them together through linked calendar or combined description. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. After that, tap on switch to hosting, then tap on listing. After that, tap here in progress. Add the title and details for the combined space, for example, entire home plus guest suite. Upload photos for both listing in the description. Clearly mention that this includes both spaces and list the room and features from each one. To avoid double booking, go to your original listing, open calendar and tap sync calendar. Add the URL of your new combined listing or vice versa. This keeps availability in sync. If you only want to offer the space as a combined unit, go back to your original listing and pause or hide them so guests only see the new one. And that's it. You have now combined your two Airbnb listing into one using a phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.